Holy shit! That is no fucking joke! You just stand still? Oh my god! I sure as hell hope it's on. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
It's gonna make for an awesome video.
Yeah, I don't know why I was laughing so hard right now. Just because Casey's next to me, and I'm taking kneecap shots.
Oh. Holy shit.
I feel like we were beaching like a war zone. We're all scattering up. You're like, oh, God.
I thought like someone was throwing rocks at us, man.
Maybe not a half.
Yeah, there were some that were massive.
If we would have went through rapids at that point, that would have been.
Oh. God. I think I got hit on every knuckle.
My toes, oh my god, my toes.
Hey, bloody knuckles with Mother Nature. There's a point I can lose. There's hitting me in the head and it's so bad. No, I thought to myself, cover the head, cover the head.
I don't know why it took us so long to get the pads out. I was like, oh yeah! Kind of. I'm not gonna go down there. Wow, that was insane. Oh. I would think.
Look how dirty it is.
What?
80 to 90 degrees every day. Yeah, right.
The first few, I didn't realize what was happening. I was like, what the hell is going on?
I knew it'd be that, but I didn't expect it to be that big.
Well, you see the big waterfall over there? You see that
Where?
halfway over there?
Oh, that red one? Oh, wow.
That's dirty.
I didn't see it. Wow. Man. It felt like we were just getting shot at. It's like this is what they feel like in battle.
Good luck, Sharon.
I didn't even look back. I was like, get back. I was looking at the scurry marks. I slipped. I was like, just get up the hill. Oh. I think when I was covering my head is when I got all my knuckle shots because I was just like this. That's cool. Yeah, I might just go. I'm just going for it. I'm already muddy.